would you still think Bitcoin would be today where it is today? No, that is thanks to the influencers. Thanks that there are people willing to spread the name on the internet. It's very important, guys. You need to understand influencers are a huge deal in the crypto space. People need to hear the message, and when there is no one actually willing to listen to the message or spread the name, look that, then nothing will happen. It will just take much longer than anyone actually has expect. And that is the same with any coin. And Vpad is the only launchpad in the planet that is backed by influencers. So Vpad is backed by influencers, guys, by not only one or not 10, but 180 influencers right now. And there is every single day more and more influencers getting into the space. So don't miss out on Vpad, guys. Don't miss out on Vpad. It's so important also for a lot of companies. Think twice. When you have a company, guys, what would you do? Would you not willing to choose a launchpad with influencers spreading your name? Or would you think you don't need that, like advertisement? That is not important. Jesus, guys, when you don't understand marketing today, guys, your business will go down, or you're selling drugs or something, guys, or you're selling something like even a dealer. Even a dealer needs a little bit marketing, needs a little bit people to spread their name, month-to-month reclam, month-to-month advertisement, the best kind of advertisement, and that is influencers. So you need really to understand that influencers are very, very, very important, and there is no influencers in the space, guys. There is no influencers has 100 or 1 million over subscribers will chill a coin without really believing anything in it. So that people are putting their name. So you need to understand that they are putting their reputation on the game. But why? Because they understood Vpad is important. They understand that, guys, we have something that they are offering, guys. They are offering something to the space. And that is their name. They're spreading the message. They making the name. Looking that, guys. Look to the sea. Do you see it? Really beautiful. People say Turkey is not beautiful and Belgium is more beautiful than Turkey or mainland Europe. Guys, don't believe too much what is being told on the media. Fly by yourself, look around. I don't think that you have something like that, literally, in Europe, you know. I didn't saw that. Soon, SKYWAY Capital is the first one in Dubai. Will be a little bit similar like that, but this is like insane. You have it, of course, in a few other countries too, but not with that beautiful view, guys. Like today, of course, unfortunately, is the first day that I'm here, and there's a little bit walky, cloudy, but it's still really warm. It's still really nice. Yeah, but so influencers are a very big deal. So I think all the coins, all the companies, when they will launch, when the companies will start launching, right now it's not the moment. When Bitcoin is going down, no one of a company, you would be really not smart enough to think today, or you should have a project that is right now, like today, like you need it in this moment, guys. But otherwise, you launching, you wait a little bit till you actually launched. You little bit waiting, guys. Like I would wait a little bit till the market a little bit stabilized, and then you could start launching. So I think soon, once Bitcoin is stabilized, it doesn't care where Bitcoin is stabilized. The moment that Bitcoin gets stabilized, people will start getting the confidence to start listing their tokens, guys. And then from that moment, guys, from the moment they want to list their projects, they will look to what launchpad would offer them the best kind of success. And when there is not a lot of media attention, people will choose actually to launch better on Vpad, because there is at least 180 influencers that could potentially spreading the name, guys. And this is actually Castle. So it's very important to know, like, so Castle has, of course, because it's so high, you have one of the best views. Of course, guys, you didn't saw like it looked like I just went in that for free. It's not for free, guys, but you can buy upfront tickets. It's about like go and back 70 tela, what means €5 or something for up and down, you know, instead of walking to the hill. No, you want the view, guys. You want the view. So that is very important. Looking here, guys, look that, guys. This is just insane. So yeah, so about Vpad, guys, I'm telling you, you would miss out. Like, don't look too much to what is the price today, guys. I'm getting out of breath. Yeah, I need to fitness a little bit more. Yeah, guys, but living in Ireland with that weather didn't do a lot of good, guys. Hold on, Vpad, guys. I hold your bitcoins, but for the minute, Bitcoin is not at 60 cents. But Vpad is, guys. Vpad is at 60 cents, guys. It is, guys. Look here, standing strong, guys. Stand strong, guys. That is very important. Don't sell your Vpad, guys. People will just try to buy it from you, like for as cheap as they can. The same as Bitcoin, guys, or Ethereum. Remember Ethereum at 50 cents, guys. People was laughing that Ethereum ever would go to crazy numbers, but it went. Today is easy talk. Once it did, it's very easy talk. But in the start, not. So I think like in the coming years, Vpad will make crazy moves. And for the ones that missed out on Vpad, guys, I don't want to say it, but I don't want to say I told you, guys, but I think that will happen when you don't listen today. It's not financial advice, of course. You need to make your own decisions. Hi, look that, guys, very beautiful. Look, the view is just insane, huh? But yeah, guys, don't sell your. I wouldn't sell my Vpad. I would just buy more and more, guys. Of course, make your own research, but think like that. Any coin in the top 10, it's so easy. Any coin in the top 10 of coin market cap. The best moment was to buy it when it was low and never sold it. Hodling till it became in the top 10. And once it's in the top 10, guys, you made it. You made it, guys. Easy as hell. It's easy as that, guys. You made it. You know? That's it. You wait a couple of years. We know the longest waiting for Vpad and staking rewards is 5 years. We know there is a possibly Bitcoin bear market going on, but even when that doesn't happen would be better. But even when it happens, guys, even when it happens, oh my god, guys.